Welcome class 11th. Today, after dealing with distance and displacement, we are going to start the new topic from motion in straight line, that is uniform motion. What is uniform motion? If a body covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, then body is said to be in uniform motion. This is a very clear definition. अगर body equal distance में equal इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में इक्वल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करती है देन बॉडी इज सेड टू बी इन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन। कुछ पोजीशन टाइम ग्राफ्स देख लेते हैं जो हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। अगर बात करते हैं पहले ग्राफ की, दिस इज डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ और ये क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है दैट बॉडी इज एट रेस्ट। इस ग्राफ में बॉडी रेस्ट पे है। सेकेंड केस देख लेते हैं। दिस इज द ग्राफ फॉर uniform motion. Here the body is traveling equal distance in equal interval of time. This graph is for non-uniform motion. All the graphs are distance time graph. Okay, in this graph it is represented that body is performing non-uniform motion. It is not traveling equal distance in equal interval of time. So from distance time graph what we are going to get? Okay, the new term is speed and velocity. From this distance time graph we are going to study speed and velocity. Okay, so what is speed? Speed is the rate of change of position with time is known as speed. The rate of change of position with time is known as speed. The rate of change of position with time. Okay, what is its SI unit? Its SI unit will be meter per second, and another is average speed. What is average speed? Average speed क्या होती है? Average speed is total distance traveled upon total time taken. It is total distance traveled upon total time taken. This is average speed. Its SI unit is meter per second. Now the important term for class 11th is velocity. What is velocity? It is the speed of an object moving in a definite direction, or it is the rate of change of displacement with time. How we can define velocity? It is the rate of change of displacement with time. By position we are replacing it by displacement. The major difference between speed and velocity. Average velocity is total displacement. Okay, so the rate of change of displacement with time is known as velocity. This is velocity, and average velocity is total displacement traveled upon total time taken. SI unit is also meter per second. It is a vector quantity. It can be positive or negative velocity, but speed can never be negative. Okay, now average velocity we are going to define for graph. Okay, let us consider a graph. In this graph, like this is x, this is t. So what is average velocity? From this graph we have to find delta x by delta t. If a graph is given and you have to calculate average velocity, then how you going to find? You have to find delta x by delta t. So take 2 points on the graph. Consider it as x initial and x final. This can be t initial and t final. So it can be written as x final minus x initial upon t final minus t initial. This is what we average. Okay, we will solve numericals also from Monday in this chapter. Next is what is instantaneous velocity. This is important term. What is instantaneous velocity? Listen carefully. The velocity of a particle at any instant of motion is called instantaneous velocity. Again, I'm repeating, the velocity of a particle at any instant of motion is called instantaneous velocity. Here we are going to use differentiation term, that is dx upon dt. By this way we can define instantaneous velocity. In notes you will get all the definitions. Instantaneous velocity. It is what? It is the limit delta t tends to 0, delta x upon delta t is equal to dx upon dt. अभी समझते हैं इसको ज़रा सा. एज्यूम करते हैं कि आप स्कूटी लेके निकले घर से, ठीक है, स्कूटी लेके निकले, अभी मम्मी पापा देख रहे हैं आपको. आपकी वेलोसिटी उस समय घर की गली में रही 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. जैसे ही आप थोड़ा सा घर की गली से दूर जा रहे हैं, आपकी वेलोसिटी हो गई 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो उस इंस्टेंट पे जब आपने अपने घर के पास की गली को छोड़ के आगे बढ़े और जब आपके घर से दिखाई नहीं दे रही थी आपकी स्कूटी या आपकी बाइक, तो इंस्टेंट पे कितनी वेलोसिटी थी उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे, लाइक 5th सेकेंड में आपकी वेलोसिटी क्या थी. तो जब किसी इंस्टेंट ऑफ टाइम पे वेलोसिटी कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं हम, उस वेलोसिटी को क्या बोल रहे हैं? इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी. इसीलिए टाइम इंटरवल क्या लिया हमने? बहुत ही छोटा लिया. किसी टाइम इंटरवल के लिए नहीं, पर्टिकुलर किसी टाइम के लिए हमें वेलोसिटी चाहिए, इसीलिए डेल्टा टी टेंस टू 0 लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. मीन्स टाइम इंटरवल नहीं है. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट 2 to 5 seconds. It is like at 5th second or at 2 second. Therefore we are taking the time interval as 0 or very small. So this delta is converted into dx, a very small change in small time, and we are defining it as new term, what? Instantaneous velocity. What is the difference between speed and velocity? Now for conclusion we are talking. It is the rate of change of position, speed, and velocity is rate of change of displacement. Speed is scalar quantity, velocity is vector quantity. Speed is only positive, velocity can be positive or negative. Now we are drawing two graphs, position time graphs for positive velocity and negative velocity. Positive velocity can be written like this. This is distance time. This graph is for positive velocity, and this graph is for what? Negative velocity, because here the initial distance is decreasing and in this initial distance is increasing the final direction. यहाँ पे क्या है? इनिशियल डिस्टेंस के बाद फाइनल डिस्टेंस की वैल्यू क्या होगी? ज़्यादा होगी इनिशियल से, और यहाँ पे इनिशियल डिस्टेंस की वैल्यू फाइनल डिस्टेंस से ज़्यादा होगी इस केस में, नेगेटिव वेलोसिटी के केस में. इसलिए यहाँ पे वेलोसिटी क्या आ रही है? नेगेटिव आ रही है. ठीक है, तो इसको आप और समझ सकते हैं अगर हम फाइनल और इनिशियल 2 पॉइंट्स कंसिडर करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे x फाइनल विल बी लेस देन x इनिशियल, क्योंकि मोशन यहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ और इसमें मोशन यहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ. So these are the two things, positive and negative velocity. If you are having any doubts, you can ask. Please go through the NCERT once, and on Monday I will send the notes of the taught portion to note down in the copy. Thank you, class.